Okay. Cadet, 12 to 14 years old, blue belt boys. Cadet, blue belt boys and girls, proceed to inspection area now. Padillo of Barobo Kickers, Abad of RCG Dents, Supiter of SF Kickers, Casil of Strikers Taekwondo, Wong of Heart of the Champion and Sipal. Proceed to inspection area now. Blue belt girls, Presas of Barobo, Nino of Katma, Ladan of Katma, Salas of PNP Taekwondo, Ramadan of RCG Mati, Binies of Strike Force, Sakay of Strike Force, Tabanyag of Strikers, Binasin of Heart